Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm shooting another vlog. This is the December vlog, the Christmas vlog. So today is actually the 12th of December and Christmas is nearing us. So we just thought that we'll get some Christmas decor. So now we are headed to get a Christmas tree and some decor. And by Christmas tree, I do not mean a fully fledged tree, like a small tree that we can keep in our Mumbai house. So I think we're headed to our city mall right now. Let's just go and see what we can get for our Christmas decor. This is literally a disinfection pit.
For the wheels.
Yeah, this is like a disinfection
Mar
pit.
sale corona.
We are planning to get this for a house. Guys, I just bought Mandeep his one Christmas present. Can you show? We got this from Miniso. He's so cute. And we never buy like soft toys and all, but
Don't get it so close to your face.
this guy was really cute. And now I've officially lost Mandeep for an hour. I'll see you after an hour. We've been roaming in this mall since 3.5 hours.
Yes, we have.
Easily. I think this is the first time we've come to a mall in this year, right?
Yeah, actually.
That's why I think we've gone a bit crazy. But today I'm feeling very safe. Like I did not see a single person without a mask, right?
I am loving it that there is less crowd. I was ready for a crowded place, but I'm happy.
This mall generally has, I think, lesser crowd. Plus it is huge, so people are also dispersed.
Correct.
But I'm tired. Should we eat something?
I am stuffed.
Probably I'm.
You're hungry again?
Yeah, I'm going to get some dinner. I'm hungry after all the walking, after ages. So guys, let me show you all the things that we got today. We literally got only 2 Christmas decor things. So we had actually gone to buy Christmas decor. And I had actually heard a lot about the Itsy Bitsy craft store. But I was honestly disappointed. If you're into hardcore arts and craft, it's very good. But if you want like Christmas decor and all, there was a really small section and we didn't get much. So this is the only 2 things that we got. This is for 199 and this is for 99. Then I got these organizers from One Stop. 700 for 3 organizers. A little expensive, but I couldn't find any alternate options, so had to buy. And then from Home Center, we got a tray, some tongs for the kitchen, potato masher, and a whisk. All of these are for 250. And then some hairbands from Max. And most important, Mandeep finally got a pair of slippers. He's been looking for these for months, I think. We went shopping for the first time in this year and we really went all out. So this is the vase that we got and it's really pretty. It's ceramic and it has this gold rim over here. We got this for 1500. Let me just check. No, it's a 1600. For these kind of vases are very hard to find and we found it at Home Center, so had to buy. And the 2 bowls are from Home Center. These are for 199 each. So this is our Buddha and we are really happy to find this piece. And we've actually been looking for a good Buddha to put up in our house for the past few months. Finally found one at Home Center. And this also has this candle. It's a smokeless candle. And this is for 3,500. Yeah, this is for 3,500 and totally worth it. It's so pretty. I'm not sure if the camera is catching it, but it's really pretty. So all in all, a very good shopping day. But we couldn't find any Christmassy things, so I think we're going to continue looking for Christmas decor and for a Christmas tree. So I'm going to continue the vlog while I'll search for them. But for today, I'm just going to crash because I'm hell tired. So I'll see you soon. Good night. So guys, now we are headed to a local market to see if we can get some Christmas decor. Let's hope for the best.
Later Santa.
Huh?
Says later Santa.
Oh, okay. Guys, the local market was so much better than the mall. We've got everything. Literally everything. We spent less than $1,000.
Yeah.
Amazing. So guys, we're finally putting up the tree. The tree is here. It's a very small and humble tree because firstly, Mumbai houses do not have the space to put up a very big tree. Also, I don't think we're going to store it for the next year. So better let's not waste our money and material. He's ready with the decor. We have all decor items here. I actually found some decor items from last year as well. So I'm really excited to put up the tree. Now should we begin?
Surely, definitely.
So I've laid out all my ornaments for my tree.
Don't you think you've gone a little overboard for your little tree?
Might have gone a little overboard. Christmas time. Be merry. Guys, let me show you something that I've got. I've got these personalized ornaments for our tree. This is for Mandeep. This is mine. And I also got one for my niece because she also really enjoys Christmas. I'm gonna give this to her to put on her tree. Hi guys, so today actually is Christmas Eve. It's the 24th of December, and on each Christmas actually we generally go to Phoenix Mall to see the decoration because they're very good decor put up each year. So that's what we're planning to do now, because tomorrow being a Friday and a holiday, I'm sure it's going to be very crowded. So we just thought that we'll go now, take a round, just see the decor and just get into the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to take you all along with me. Guys, so we had bought actually matching PJs last year from Primark from Amsterdam, and finally we got a chance to wear them. So excited. So we are twinning on Christmas. Merry Christmas everybody. It's already 12. Merry Christmas to you and your families.
Merry Christmas, guys.
And guys, now is the most exciting part when we are going to open our presents. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I am also very excited to open my present.
No, I think you also have got presents. So let's open them. You go first.
So this is the coffee mug that I've got because I love coffee and I always wanted a Starbucks coffee mug.
I've got the adult coloring book with the sketch pens. They're called coloring pens. I always wanted this, and this was in my Amazon wish list for a really long time. So I'm mad happy for this.
And guys, just a fun fact, I have given it to her because it's supposed to relieve stress and supposed to help you cope with stress. And I don't know if you guys know, but yes, I give her a lot of stress.
Whenever he tells me that relax, chill, I'm like, I can't relax. I live with you.
Now onwards, I'm gonna say draw.
And this is the second thing that I gave to
This is my
Mandeep.
gift, yeah.
Because he loves Transformers and all these things, and he had lost this.
Yeah, I had lost the Transformer that I had and I wanted a new one. And we got this really cool one today when we had gone to the mall.
Yeah.
And so I'm very happy with this.
And the last thing that I've got is socks, because it's a tradition that on Christmas he always gives me socks, and he forgot last year and I gave him a very hard time. So this year I've got socks again and some chocolates and random stuff. But yeah, so that's it. And Now I think we're just gonna maybe eat something like a cake or
Plum cake,
something.
yeah.
Yeah, some plum cake, and then we're just gonna sleep and get ready to celebrate Christmas again tomorrow morning. But no gifts tomorrow morning. That is it. And once again, Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. See you.
Hi guys, I'm making some chicken lasagna for Christmas dinner. So I've been cooking from a long time. My chicken keema ready. Got some white sauce here. Pasta sheets are boiled and ready to go. Some cheese. And I also like to add some roasted veggies. So I've roasted some mushrooms and peppers. Now let's assemble it. Hi guys, so I'm finally done with all the cooking and all the meal prep. Actually, the last 2-3 days involved a lot of cooking. Finally, I can have some downtime and just chill. So that's what I'm going to do and eat a lot of food. And this probably is going to be my last video for 2020 because I have a few things planned. Like I have to go for a friend's wedding. I need to go with my family for New Year's. So this is probably the last time I'm vlogging in 2020. So just want to wish you all and your families a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I hope you all enjoy the holiday season and I hope you all take some downtime for yourself, and I'll see you all in my next video in 2021. Thank you. Bye.